building maintenance unit is a piece of plant on the top of a building to serve the facade for cleaning purposes. Marina Tower's got 3 building maintenance units. One for the hotel, 4 Points by Sheraton, which is effectively on a brawler crane around the top of the building and services all 4 or 5 sides of the building. And then the other 2 are one's on level 42, which has got effectively a telescopical arm that extends out above the facade, and then the level 36 one has a sliding roof which then extends above the roof line to service the floor. One of the hardest things for the development of the BMU was by far the negative edge, making sure when the BMU comes down the building it remains on that inclined facade on both positive and the negative sides of the building. The aim of the project from Proville's point of view was to ensure we end up with a safe project, and we achieved that at Marina Tower by ensuring that we didn't have any LTIs. As well as developing a strong relationship with our client, it was their first job in Melbourne, and if they do a second one, we want to be their first kind of call to continue that relationship and collaboration we have with them.